Hey everyone, and welcome back to day 25 of 100-Day Code of the Programming Zone. Subscribe and turn on bell notifications today. We're diving into the art of filtering with pandas. Get ready to unlock hidden insights and tame those unruly datasets. But first, what is filtering? It's like a ninja skill for zooming in on specific parts of your data, focusing on what matters most. And Pandas, our trusty Python library, has all the tools you need to master this art. So, let's break down the different filtering techniques and code examples that'll have you filtering like a boss. 1. Simple filtering. Let's start with the basics. Say you want to find all employees in the sales department. Here's how you do it with Pandas. Import Pandas as PD. Load your data. Data equals PD read CSV. File name employees.csv. Filter for sales department. Sales employees equals data, then again data from column department where it should be equal to sales. Show the filtered data. Print sales employees. See? It's like asking Pandas, hey, show me just the sales folks. Multiple conditions, but what if you want to get more specific, like finding female employees in the engineering department who are also over 30? No worries, Pandas can handle that too. Female engineers over 30 equals data, then, data in gender column where it's equal to female, and department column where we have engineering and their age should be greater than 30. We just added multiple conditions using that handy ampersand symbol, like saying, show me the women in engineering who are 30 plus. Filtering based on values in a list. Now, let's say you have a list of countries to focus on. Here's how you'd filter for employees in those countries. Countries to filter where we have USA, Canada, and UK. Filtered data equal to data, then column country.icon countries to filter. The ISIN method is like a VIP list for your data, only the countries in the list get to join the party. That's just the beginning of filtering with Pandas. Stay tuned for more data taming techniques in future episodes. Remember, with Pandas, you're the master of your data. Until next time, keep those datasets clean and organized. We'll see you in the next video, where we are going to explore how to handle the missing data in Python using Pandas. So stay tuned. See you tomorrow.